Hello friends, welcome back. This lecture. Now we learn about session for using in PHP and my project social networking website in PHP and MySQL. We have there three steps. First step, start the session, and second step, register the session, and last step, destroy the session. What is session? Session is a login to logout time. Very important in social networking website. Session is a global variable. We can access session variable everywhere in web project, any class, any folder, anything in. We have three files: index, home, and save data. Save data we get variable in database, sorry, in HTML form and save in database. And connection file we connect the database and include in save, include and connection.php. Global variable mean we had access in it globally. And home page our page that redirect after save data or sign up. No session, we go to the index page, we start session session underscore start. We start the connection in index file. Why? Save data file we registered the session but start in index because those both files same. We are include save underscore data file in .php. So we can start our session in index page. And now we go to save underscore data, we execute, then we register the underscore session session name, email, and registered variable email. Now our variable registered in session, it we can get everywhere. If we want to get session variable, we have need again session start, welcome, php start, php band, and echo dollar underscore session and session variable name email. Now we check, refresh, and name Harpreet Singh, right? Great. Junior successfully registered and our session print here. Session value print here. Now we understand session is a global variable or session is a login to log or 10 and three step. Number one, session start, establish, or second step, register the session, and number three, get anywhere session variable, and last step, destroy. Next video we learn session destroy and runtime create dashboard social networking website. Thanks.